People in rented accommodation may find it difficult to get cheap energy bills due to a lack of efficiency measures. This is according to figures from E.ON, which estimated people living in these dwellings could be missing out on savings of up to £400 per year. It suggested there's a great deal of confusion between tenants and landlords about who's responsible for improving the energy performance of a property. Nearly half of renters believe this should fall on the landlord, though 2/3 think the property owner would not agree to make the changes. Chief Executive of the National Landlords Association, Richard Lambert, said it's important that tenants and landlords both realise that there are ways of improving the energy efficiency of properties. Recently, thinkinsulation.co.uk observed fitting lagging in lofts and cavity walls is among the most effective ways to reduce heating bills. Make sure you're not paying too much for your energy. Compare gas and electricity prices now at energyhelpline.com or call 0800 074 0745.